Hi everyone, here is K-Sayo. Today I'm gonna do some Q&A with you guys. I got some great questions from my followers and I can't wait to share with you. And this will be very interesting for me as well since it's the first time doing Q&A video. It's coming up. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Inyo. I've been helping students from all over the world who want to learn Korean language and the culture. I post videos every single week on Wednesday and Saturdays. If you like to continue to learn Korean with me, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out any single new video. So let's get started. The first question is, how do you describe your feelings in Korean? So this is requested by Bradley365. And my answer is usually you're gonna use verbs to describe your feelings. But in English, you have be adjective. I am happy. That's describing your feeling of happiness. I am happy. You are happy. Or they are. She is, he is. So you need to understand the be verbs, how it's used in English versus how it's used in Korean, because we use be verbs differently. And at the same time, you need to understand that be adjective verb to be adjective in English, we use one verb, which means that you don't look up be verb plus adjective to form a sentence in Korean. You need to understand what is happy as a verb. I know this is very strange, and also it's gonna take some time for you to get comfortable if you're learning Korean as a beginner. Even for intermediates, it's very common mistake to make. So I am happy. If you want to say that, you're gonna look up happy in dictionary. It's gonna come out as 행복한 as an adjective. So you need to understand how to transform an adjective into a verb. So 행복한 is an adjective and 행복하다 is to be happy. So you're going to say 저는 I 행복해요. That is to be happy. So already includes am happy in English. So another one that I can give you an example is I am hungry. 저는 배고파요. Right? So 저는 is I, 배고파요. You can guess. That is to be hungry. You don't have to look up word, what is beaver and what is hungry separately. So Korean is very interesting that once you know one verb, you can conjugate it into an adjective and noun and an adverb, most likely. So it's very distinctive differentiation between English and Korean. Second question, what is the best way to speak well for somebody who has an intermediate level? This is a question from Emma Sensi. I would think that, so first of all, you need to think why you want to learn Korean. Most of my students, they get into learning Korean language because they already have interest in Korean culture. Either they like K-pop or Korean drama or Korean fashion, cosmetic, all kinds of other reasons why they want to learn Korean. So second of all, you need to know what interests you in your language and learn that in Korean. For any level you're at right now, you just need to know what interests you in your language, because there is no point for you to learn something in Korean that you have no interest learning in your language as well. And at the same time, when you already know and when you have such an interest and knowledge in your language, it's gonna help you to learn a new language faster than ever. And you want to learn it. It's not because somebody's telling you to learn. So I think that for any level, you just need to know what interests you. And the third is you need to know vocabulary. And vocabulary wise, like I mentioned in the first answer, if you know verbs, you can pretty much make sentences. That's how you deliver message. You can make that verb into an adjective, noun, adverb like I mentioned. So learn your vocabulary. That's gonna help you to build confidence and make conversation with Korean. Number 4 is don't be afraid of making mistakes. What I mean by that, so anyone starts from the bottom. Nobody knows Korean alphabet when they just starting Korean language. So don't be afraid of speaking and get out there and talk to people. Even find people on the internet. There's so many people who want to learn Korean language. Even in this channel, everybody wants to learn Korean language and the culture. So you can find people on the internet and try to arrange a meeting or just even texting. That's gonna get you to practice making sentences. But for speaking wise, just don't be afraid. Make mistakes. That's gonna help you to understand what you're doing wrong and what should be done right.